How to remove the redness of a pimple. Everyone gets pimples and zits that can cause irritation and redness. The redness of a pimple is an inflammatory response, not a scar. Inflammation actually helps our tissues regenerate and is a normal part of our body's healing response, but it can be annoying when that inflammation is plastered over our face for the whole world to see. Luckily, there are home methods that can decrease or hide the inflammatory redness until your pimple heals. Using medicated treatments. 1. Apply a spot treatment that has salicylic acid. You can find over-the-counter spot treatments with salicylic acid at most pharmacies and drugstores. Apply the spot treatment directly to your pimple. The acid will start to dry up the oils and sebum in the area, reducing some of the zits' overall redness. Spot treatments will take several hours to several days to completely heal the pimple, but they can start to reduce redness quickly. 2. Dab on an acne cream that contains benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide kills the bacteria in pimples. Since the bacteria also cause the redness, these creams help reduce the redness, as well. Read the acne cream packaging to look for one that contains benzoyl peroxide. 3. Use eye drops as a spot treatment. Eye drops that contain tetrahydrozoline hydrochloride are formulated to help get rid of redness. That same ingredient can help reduce some of the redness commonly associated with acne. Apply a few drops to a cotton swab and dab that on your pimple to get the most targeted treatment. Alternately, freeze a cotton swab that's been soaked in eye drop solution overnight. Apply it gently to the pimple. The cold will suppress the inflammation. Eye drops won't help treat the pimple itself. They will just reduce some of the redness for a little while. 4. Use an over-the-counter redness reduction product. Many drugstores and pharmacies carry redness relief creams and other topical treatments. These can target mild to moderate redness and reduce discoloration in as little as 12 hours. You may want to ask a pharmacist which product is right for you, especially if you have sensitive skin or are using any other topical treatments. Common products used to combat redness include Rofade and Eucerin Redness Relief Soothing Night Cream. 5. Try hydrocortisone cream for a temporary reduction in redness. Although hydrocortisone cream is typically used for itching, it can also help reduce redness. Dab a small amount of the cream directly onto your pimple. You can buy 1% hydrocortisone cream over the counter at most drugstores. 6. Use a clay mask to dry up zits. Combine 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered clay with enough water to form a spreadable paste. Apply a thin layer of the mask to your face and let it dry fully before rinsing it off with warm water. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to the paste before application to amp up its acne-fighting powers. You can get powdered clay from most pharmacies, drugstores, and health food stores, as well as online. Alternatively, you could use a pre-mixed clay mask, which you can find in the bath section of your local department store or in a beauty supply or drugstore.